Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to TK Rev Studio today. We have Lenovo Legion Go. I'm excited to unbox and review it. Don't forget to subscribe for my future tech reviews and unboxings. Alright, let's get in this unboxing. So on the top, we have the volume buttons with a Type-C charging port on the right of it. And we can't forget about micro SD card slot. Now on the bottom, we got a single Type-C port. Lenovo Legion Go comes with a nice big kickstand, so you don't have to hold it while gaming. So both of the controller Joy-Cons come out, like the Nintendo Switch. But these controllers have more functionality, and one of them has a FPS mode, which I'll show you later in this video. Lenovo has created Legion Space so you could use their platform to buy games from or download Steam or Xbox Game Pass. They have different varieties of games. Games go on sale just like it does on Steam and GO2. AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme T-Scores are based on Zen, for we've got 8 cores, 16 threads, a base clock of 3.3 GHz, and a boost up to 5.1 built-in Radeon Retina 3 IG. PU with 12 cus 16 GB of LPDDR5X. Running at 7,500 megabit transfers per second. Right now, they are offering to different storage variants of the Go. You can pick this up with either a 512 GBM, 2 or a 1 terabit of them racing up C 4.0 and NVMe 2 SSD micro SD. Card slot that supports up to a 2 TB. Carter 140 for her 8.8 in 16 by 10 Lenovo PureSight QHD Plus display. It's got a resolution of 2560 by 697% DCP3, up to 500 nits of brightness, Wi-Fi 6E by 2, Bluetooth 5.2, a 49.2 WTH battery, and this is running Windows 11 Home right out of the box. The new Legion Go are the detachable controllers. Looking at the controller, there is 2 extra buttons on the side, M1, M2. You'll see we've got a little optical sensor with the switch. We're going to put this in FPS mode. We'll grab the FPS dock. This dock will magnetically attach to the controller, and now we can use the right and controller as a mouse. So using this FPS mode and using the other Joy-Con, at the same time, it's kind of odd, but it's easy to adjust. So yeah, overall, I think the new Lenovo Legion Go is a solid handheld. Love the fact that we've got this trackpad over here. And it does have a some haptics built in, really easy to navigate. Windows, but again, Lenovo gave you Legion space. Game on this, all you need to really do is stay in Legion space, go to your Gamescom right back here, the AMD Ryzen Z1. Extreme is a great performer. We do have a lot of customizability here when it comes to TDP, different performance profiles that we can choose from. That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.